Hello everyone, Deko team is here today. Today we're gonna do some interesting DIY project. It's a wooden cabinet that has some shelves and you can install some small souvenirs on it, like this little guy. So for this project we will need two wooden bars. The size is 40 by 80 centimeters. We will need one acrylic board around half a meter of the length and 15 centimeters by width. And we will need some small blocks. And of course we will need to use some power tools from Deko brand. It's a circular saw, it's a jigsaw to cut our wooden panel, and some sanding with our sander. And we will also do some drilling. Okay, let's start.
Use a pencil to mark and draw the desired size of the wood block on the panel. We will need to cut these wood panels into 9 pieces. All the sizes are provided in the description below. Use a circular saw to cut the wood blocks along the lines. Let's start cutting! Use this Orbi sander to smooth the edges of the wood blocks. Take 4 wood bars of A and B sizes, then use a wood router to cut the groove on one side of each bar, so that the acrylic board can be embedded into these bars later. Build wood blocks marked as C, D, E into the shape of a cabinet and fasten them with quick action clips. Also nail the wood bars marked as A and B and embed the acrylic board. Then you can use a nail gun to nail the wooden block named C, D, E. Finally, fasten the main body and the lid of the cabinet. Then install the hinges and locks with the help of the drill driver. The lid is now installed. Place the items inside the cabinet and your DIY cabinet is good to go. Check out our best value woodworking tools and subscribe to our channel for more DIY ideas.